Alright, we're at Royal in Aubenville, and it's time for another funny story. I thought of another one. Sophie and I were at a coffee shop, a little restaurant thing, and we were talking about sex again. Anyways, okay. So, my boyfriend was over at my house one time. We were messing around a little bit, and needless to say, he had a very massive hard-on. And we were messing around, so it twitched a little bit. And my cat came out of nowhere, flew through the air, and just grabbed a hold of it and mauled it to death. Like, it took its hind legs and then flew away. I don't know where the cat went, but it disappeared. And I felt so bad, but it was so funny. We both kind of just sat there on the edge of the bed, like, with our heads down. Like, oh, shit. But, needless to say, my cat was never allowed anywhere near us while we were together from that point on. Oh, I felt bad. But come on, envision that. That's funny. That's funny.